Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I make this beans flour from black-eyed beans. If you want to see how I make this, please keep on watching. This is Bernice and you're welcome back to Bernice's kitchen. So I'm going to soak my beans for like 5 to 10 minutes so that the peel, like the back of the beans, will be easy to come off while peeling it. At this point, the peel of the beans comes out easily from the beans. The back comes out easily from the beans. So I'm going to use my blender to peel the beans, but you can also use your food processor to peel your beans as well. So in this video, I'm just going to show you how you can use either your food processor or your blender to peel your beans. Okay, yeah. First, I'm going to show you how I use my food processor to also peel my beans. So I'm just going to transfer some soaked beans into the food processor, and I'll use the pause button, and I'll do this for like 10 seconds each time I turn on the pause button. All right, so anytime from 5 to 10 seconds it marks, it's okay. So once you feel the beans has peeled, that's fine. Or to use your blender, pour in some beans into the blender, pour in your water, make sure the water is like double the quantity of the beans, and also use the pause button while trying to blend your beans. That way the beans will float in the water and not blend or break into pieces while you're trying to peel it. All right, yeah, hope you understand what I'm saying. If you don't understand, also let me know in the comment section. All right, so after peeling it, I'll transfer that into a bowl, pour in some water, make sure the water covers the beans properly. But in this particular beans, it's going to be difficult because the beans is I'm actually peeling a very large quantity of beans. All right, but if you want to do this, use a big bowl, make sure the water is more than the beans, like 2 times or 3 times more than the beans. That way it's going to be very easy for you to peel your beans. Okay, yeah. So as it is now, I've finished washing my beans, and as you can see, the beans is well washed. I've rinsed it and it's clean and ready to be dried under the sun. So I've transferred them onto my tray, and I'm going to dry this in the sun. Okay, so I've dried it for like 3 to 4 days, and I did it when the sun was very hot. Okay, and here is my dried beans. So this is the beans I got after it dried. Everything shrank, and this is how it is. So I'm going to use my blender to blend the beans, or you can as well use the industrial machine for those that have access to that. If you're in Nigeria or anywhere you are, if you have access to the industrial grinder, you can as well use that. Okay, because you won't compare the way the blender will blend these beans to the one the industrial machine will, because the industrial one will blend it so smoothly. You'll see what I'm talking about. All right, so I'll blend this, and I'll still have to sift it. Okay, with my blender I'll blend and still have to sift it, but for me it's okay because this beans flour, I'll use it mostly for my akara. Okay, yeah, so you will see what came out after blending with the blender. You will just see the little beans that didn't blend well. So you see what came out after everything. So the blender didn't blend the beans flour perfectly well. Yeah, so I have to sift it with my mesh. So as you can see, this is how it is. It's not really smooth, so I'm going to transfer this onto my dry mill, and I will use my dry mill to blend this one very well. And the remaining beans, dried beans, I'm also going to use my dry mill to blend the remaining ones. The dry mill did a better job than the blender. Okay, so you won't compare using your blender or your dry mill to blend your beans as that of an industrial blender, if you get what I'm saying. But the dry mill did a better job, and I'm happy with that. All right, yeah. So here is our beans flour. I finished blending everything, and this is what I got from the beans flour. Okay, yeah. So I did 15 cups, and the best way to store this is to store this in an airtight container, and it can last for up to a year or more. So far it's in an airtight container, and whenever you want to make your akara, it's just for you to take whatever quantity you want or moi moi and mix it and use it to do whatever thing you want to do. It's just as easy as that. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. I hope you do enjoy this video. Please like, subscribe, and share with friends. I love you all. Please stay safe. Bye.